Hi guys, how's it going? Once again, I'm here for another video, but today I'm talking about developing a positive attitude towards a job or any business you're doing. Alright, because in a business there are things that you do just because of the job. In this case, there's personality and character. Definitely you have to be different. A character, that's when you're doing that job. Then personality, when you're found in your normal lifestyle. Okay, and some people may not understand the difference between you and your job. There's a job that you do, definitely, that you have to change in a way that you either misbehave or behave in a way that people will not love or will not be pleased of. I'll give an example of doctors. If a doctor, okay, doctors are trained well, but you cannot inject someone. Mostly babies, they cry so much when you're not trained in that way. And this is not what you do if you're not a doctor, because we are emotional. You can get emotional, you can feel sorry, but the fact that you're trained to do that, you have to. I'll give an example of a policeman. A policeman, you ask to shoot someone. This is not because you want. And again, lawyers, you're allowed, you're supposed to do what you're supposed to do, whether it is your relative or not. You're supposed to judge according to the laws. So character should be different from the personality. And I wish people can understand that there is character and personality. But the fact that the world will not understand you, just take it that way. Continue believing in the I aspect than the me aspect. Because I aspect is you, what you feel you are, what you're doing, and what you feel you are. Then the me aspect is the people around you. They think you're a killer because you're a policeman. They think you're not doing right because you're doing according to the laws. But then, this is you into this. You have to believe in yourself and know how to differentiate yourself between a character and a personality. Then act the way it is supposed to be. When you're at the job, act the job. When you're off the job, act yourself. Alright? Then when you learn how to respect an I aspect and a me aspect, this will give you a chance to satisfy your needs and do necessarily that is required as a job. Then when you're off the job, do the necessary that is required as you in a community. Alright? Then another thing, the real will give you the real lifetime happiness that you want. Because if you choose to listen to people or the me aspect, trust me, you won't be happy. But if you choose to be yourself and listen to the I aspect, know yourself and choose to be happy, you'll be happy forever. Don't satisfy people. Don't do things that pleases people. Just do things that pleases you and pleases God. Alright? Still, there's a difference between a person who pleases themselves and those who pleases God. There's this saying, I don't give a damn. Well, don't give a damn, but do things that gives you happiness within you, but pleases God. Because even a prostitute is doing something that pleases her. Alright? So, to avoid such, doing a sin or being irrelevant to God, do things that satisfies you and satisfies God and it pleases God. Alright? I hope I've said some things. Thanks so much for watching my videos, guys. And happy 2019. I forgot to say it. I think I said it. Yeah, in the last video I did in 2018. So happy 2019 again, and please can you supporting me, those who were there for me in 2018. Please don't go away from me. I still need you in 2019 and more and more and more. And please get me on Instagram at Closet Queen Gift, Closet Queen / gift, and Twitter Closet Queen space gift, Facebook Gift in Wasasula, and my official page on Facebook is Gifty.